Well, hello there. Right when I was still in the shelter, and the storm yesterday was like raining. Me and Buttercup were like going down to get some water. Then when we went up, it was like, then it went fast. And then we just ran into here. There was a storm that started at 6 a.m.
It was thundering.
I was like wide awake, and it was like still dark, but then it lit up, and then it went down. It was very loud. The rain was very loud.
I'm feeling frustrated because I lost one of my earbuds in this shelter, and it's connecting to Bluetooth, so I know it's really close by, but I don't know if it got tangled up in our gear or fell down a crack. I can't find it anywhere. It's getting really late, and we're still here at the shelter. We've waited out the storm. It's a beautiful day now. I'm trying to get the boys to get going here, but they have a hard time with mornings. We have 9 miles to do today. Hey Buttercup, you ready to go? No?
I've been wasting energy from going down there.
Because of spring?
Yeah.
Good job, Sonic. Filling up his own water bottle, filtering his water by himself.
What are these? Oh, those are for keeping bears from touching your food.
So how does it work?
So you put your food up there, and if the bears try doing this it wouldn't work because the food would stay up there, and the bears can climb on these. And some of them have these, so that'll hurt their paws, and then they will let go and then fall.
Oh, is that what they're for?
Yeah.
Mm.
And how to get them off? There's these hooks over here. You put them right there, so if your food's hanging, if you don't, and you put your food there, the bear can get it. But if you do, the food will stay up high, so it wouldn't get to it. You can see there's more of these.
So it keeps bears away from food. What about little boys? Does it keep little boys away from food?
No, we can still open them like this.
Oh. I see. This is our first bit of bear scat that we've seen. Right here on the trail. It's bear scat.
We're walking on our border from North Carolina, and we're gonna enter Tennessee.
That's our third state.
Well, perhaps we walked up a lot of big hills. Now we're having a big snack.
This is a poop field. Shelters in Tennessee do not have privies, so they have designated poop fields where you dig a hole and you poop in it. This whole field is just a graveyard of buried poops. Okay, we're behind the shelter to record an outro because I don't want to bother everyone in the shelter. It's a full shelter.
Shovel.
The hike... Buttercup found a shovel. The hike down to water at the shelter was a long way when you're tired. I am. It's so cold tonight. It's really, 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 really
I'm
cold.
not cold.
Buttercup's not cold, but I'm very cold.
Wait, let me feel. You feel hot.
Okay, we're gonna go to bed now. Good night.
Good night, good night, good night.